Everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. There's a reason why that's behind me. So, this is the current status of my makeup. It's growing. Um, so I have an extra eyeshadow palette to add to it and some other stuff. So, yeah. So my son got me something to help with my clutter there. Ooh, right there. Right? So it was nice of him to get me something, even though it's from TEMU. Honestly, I don't care because they do have some good products. So give me a minute. So I've been sitting here filming videos for Cursed Cosmetics and Juvia's Place, and like, I love this. Oh my god, I can't wait for this to like finish thawing out so that the glitter can get moving. I believe it's supposed to. Oh, I think some of it did. Anyway, thank goodness this is not going over there. Oh yeah, some of that moved. But yeah, I love this tumbler. So I have a bunch of stuff that I need to put over there that's brand new. Obviously this is not one of them. I'm gonna love drinking out of this, by the way, even cold coffee. Um, I need to get some of the bloodthirst tea eventually. Eventually. So we're here for my makeup conundrum. And hold on a minute. So this is one of the racks from it. I think this is going to be really good. So this is the top rack. And that's hefty. Wow. That's pretty hefty. Whoa. Okay, I'll fix that in a minute. Okay, but it does slide out. That's why it's hefty. That was my fault. User error. So we'll be converting what I have now, the mess over here, because I also have some skincare over here, and even though that landed on my foot, thank goodness it didn't hurt me too much. Anyway, you know what? Things happen in life, and it's okay. So let me unclutter this, and we'll get this set over there and see what we can do. Or maybe a bit up close for a moment. I'm just joking. I'm not going to make you sit up close like that while you see me declutter all this makeup. But as you can see on this tray, even though I just removed a few bits, that, yeah. And plus I have my skincare that I've gotten from Mary Catherine. Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So I have Gerard Cosmetics in here with the Juvia's Place, the Curse, and Jeffree Star, and same thing over here. I know this is not the best shot for this, frame for it. Um, I would put this that way, then I'd have to pull the drawer out going that way. Don't push these all the way back. I mean, you could. I guess that one won't come out. Neither will this one. Okay. It's just a drawer. That's all. So I'm going to say, obviously, your smaller items here, your taller items here, like, yeah. So that means I can, like, fully set this here, that box of, like, skincare stuff. My tallest palette, the Dark Divine by Curse Cosmetics, won't fit that way, so it will have to fit going that way. And I'm happy because it's Dan. If you're happy and you know it because it's Dan, we're just going to be goofy about it. And then we have the Black Veil Brides. This one, I don't want to stand this so it'll flap open. So I'm going to put all my tall stuff up here, and we'll come back to putting all the smaller things at the bottom. All right, before I put the rest of the stuff in here, so I've got my Cursed Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, the only Jeffree Star palette I have holding it up. Hey, Rich. And then I have Gerard Cosmetics. I got one eyeshadow palette. And then some Juvia's Place. And then I've got some eyeliner, some lip liner, some chromes. I've got this here, which I just got that. That'll be a whole other video. I'm probably just going to put my skincare in there. If it might fit in here with this. Okay, so this is what we have. We got my Cursed Cosmetics matte liquid lips over here. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. And then I have some of my lippies in here. My skincare is on this side. I love this. Love that. So yeah, let me know what you think. As you can see, I moved things around just so they'd fit in there better. I know that's a lot, but you know what? It's better organized, and I have more room. Am I gonna save for more cosmetics? I don't know. I'm gonna try to use up a lot of this before. I'm just gonna be keeping that because that's rich, and that was my only Spoiled Lips Cosmetics palette that I have. Then my Cursed Cosmetics Compact Mirror, my Baddie eyeliners. I have some lip liner or whatever in the other one. But yeah. So kindly in the comments below, let me know what you think about this for makeup organization. My son is a TEMU affiliate. No, I don't have his link. I thought I did, and if I do have it, I'll put it in the first pinned comment. So I'm going to start leaving links to all sorts of companies. Whether it's Cursed, Juvia's Place, Jeffree Star, let's say my friend Cassandra for Sass and Frass. You know, make this year better, organized, feel better, and remember to stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. And I have some more stuff coming. So I was like, what do I not have yet? You'll find out. Bye.